So today we are going to discuss about the syntax of a for loop and also where the for loop can be applied. This is common across all the languages like C, C++ and Java, and it has a lot of similarities in other languages. So to begin with, for loop. So the syntax for loop in C or C++ is for some expression 1, expression 2, expression 3, then statement. So always, as you know, we always explain better with a flowchart for understanding any control structure. As I say that for loop comes under iterative structures. So it is iterative structure. So the flowchart for this is first the expression 1 is evaluated, then this expression 2, or you say the condition, then so if the expression 2 is correct, if it is true, then this statement is executed. This statement, or I say T statement. T statement is executed, after which this expression 3 will be executed. Expression 3, this will be executed. This will be executed, and after which the control will go back and again the expression 2 is evaluated. So if it is true, this will be. So if it is false, then it will go to the next statement following the for loop. This is how it will be executed. So first expression 1 is executed only one time, then expression 2, or you can also call it as a condition which will be checked, or this can also be stated as a condition which can be checked. If it is true, then this statement, this T statement will be executed. That's what I said, T statement. And after this statement will, expression 3 is evaluated. Then again the expression 2, or let us say condition, is checked. If the condition is true, again this set of statements will be, this statement will be executed, expression 3 will be executed, and then so this process will continue as long as the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, or say expression 2 becomes false, it will go to the next statement. If you go by the same thing, I write it in another way. You can say for, generally the expression 1 is initialization, then this expression 2 is generally a condition, and expression 3 is some other statement, and let us say it's a statement. So first initialization is executed, then the condition will be checked, and if it is true, this statement will be executed. After this, the expression 3 will be executed, and again it will go. So if it is true, again this will be executed. If the condition is true, again the statement will be executed, and after the execution of the statement, the expression 3 will be executed, then this condition. So if you say in all, this is the initialization expression is executed only one time, and these and these are executed several times. So the question like when to use for loop. When to use a for loop. So if you would like to find out n terms of a series, say n terms of a series, in terms of a series, examples, or you say n prime numbers, or say n times print hello on the system. So in all of these examples you can use a for loop. To be more specific, how to write those statements. If I want to print your name something like 10 times or print hello 10 times, so I write for, say, I is 1. This is called a control variable which will be executed only one time, and then I say I is less than or equal to 10, and I say you want to print hello, so printf, write hello. So this is the statement to be executed 10 times. So I have written hello, and you write here I++. So as I just now stated, this will be first initialized, it will be checked, and this will be executed, then I++, the I will be incremented, and then it will be checked. So this process will go 10 times. So very simply, if I say for some expression 1, as I said, and expression 2, or the other name is condition, and expression 3, and whatever logic of the problem. What I say is, if it is finding out n terms of a series, then you fix the logic within a block. So within the block you put the logic of the problem. So if it is n terms of a series, you put n terms of the series logic, n terms logic. And if you say n prime numbers, you put the logic. So what I mean to say is, you fix up this, how many times you want to execute, how many terms you want to execute, this you fix up here, and then